Unboxing the all-new Oura Ring 5 and Oura Ring 5 charging case. These are the brand new rings that just came out. This literally just arrived right now, so let's see what's in the box. I'm way too excited. We've got the brushed silver Oura Ring right here. Apple-style packaging. These new ones have like a little hook on them. There's Oura inside the box. We've got the new charging unit, which is going to be slightly different. USB-C. The charging pad, this is size 13. My Oura Ring 4 is actually a size 14. They don't make that size anymore with these. It is extremely thin and tiny. Look at that. The grooves and the sensors are slightly different than the Oura Ring 4, so that's why you need a whole new charging pad, which is not ideal. You need a separate charging pad for each size ring, so if your partner has one, your family has one, you can't use the same ring charger. And then if you have different rings, you need two chargers for both rings. Look how much bigger this 14 is in comparison. Like, it just slides all around the charger pad. Oura Ring USB-C cable. I have way too many of these. I think companies should stop sending them. Then you get your little pamphlet stuff that you probably will never look at. The all-new Oura Ring 5 charging case, size 13 as well. This is the case. Inside, you can see it looks very similar to the 4 case, but it's going to have slightly different grooves because the ring sizes are different and the sensor placement is different. It says Oura 13 on the back. It's silver and clean on the top. There's the inside of the case. I can go ahead and place the brand new Oura Ring right there. Look at that. Wow, it is so freaking tiny. Look at the size difference to the 4 and the 5. This is absurd. This literally looks like a real ring. Look how tiny this is. Let's put it on my finger. Look at that perfect fit right there. It looks clean. If I try to put my fingers together, maybe if I want to be married one day, this is actually too big for my ring finger, so I could wear this as a wedding band. Middle finger kind of works, maybe a little too big. I think it fits best on my pointer finger. Ring finger here. Yeah, this is a little too big. But now, if I did have the right size, I could close my hands. But this is what it looks like on my ring finger. Let's go back to the pointer finger here. It looks so clean. So clean. Wow. I love this. We put it side by side with the Oura Ring 4 ceramic. Look at the size difference. This is insane. We roll over to the bottom of the palm, the side of my hand, the top of my hand. Like, even when I grip, you can see the thickness just pops out much more. When I have a fist on the ring, if you're trying to grab something, 5 will feel much more subtle than... Look at this. This feels like it's not even there. I am so excited to wear this. Like, that is the tiniest ring I have ever seen. Go ahead and plop it into the charging case. It charges right there. The USB-C is on the back right here. Now, how does the setup work? We're going to go ahead and tap on the ring here. You can see I have multiple Oura Rings connected to my app, and I can switch between them as I'd like. So we're going to set up a new device, Oura Ring. I'm going to tap Setup, add a new ring. We don't want to replace anything. Connect to your Oura Ring. It's on the charger. Connect. Searching for your ring. Oura Ring brushed silver. It doesn't say Oura Ring 5, maybe because it's just not out yet. We'll pair. Let's find your best signal. Look at that. It's going to try to find the best signal. So we're going to tap continue. Try on your ring. The Oura Ring 5 also still has the notch on the bottom, but I think one day, hopefully, they'll be without a notch. You can wear it any direction. So we're going to put the notch right there. I love feeling for it to make sure it's right there. Check signal. Smart sensing is identifying the best signal for you. We're not moving our hands. Your ring are now in sync. There's my heart rate. Ooh, baby. Surprised my heart's not racing. Wave hello to test the motion sensor. Hello. Okay, start journey. Boom, just like that. We now have the Oura Ring. And I think because it's not out yet, it comes out on Thursday, June 4th. It doesn't show it in the app. But you can see my other rings here. Their batteries are all dying. We're going to go ahead and set up a new device. Oura Ring 5 charging case. Is it going to be able to detect that? I don't know. We're about to see. We might have to wait for the launch app on that device. The charging case cover looks just like this. We can go ahead and slide the ring on. Make sure it slides into the proper positioning. The LED shows when it's charging. We can see it charging inside of the app. So everything's looking good. This is the Oura Ring 5. We're going to see how it all holds up. The new software updates come to the Oura Ring 3, 4, and 5. Those are coming out June 4th, June 2026, and some of them might already be inside of the app. I do have a link down below if you do plan to buy the Oura Ring. Click that link to help support the channel. This is the Oura Ring 5 unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this. Comment questions you have down below about the new Oura Ring 5, and I can try to answer them on launch day with a full review. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Follow me at Shervin Shares on Instagram.